This is my first ever MacBook Pro. Back in 2013, I got this thing when I started high school. It is time for an upgrade. So for my birthday this year, my mom got me the M2 MacBook Pro. This is the 14-inch MacBook Pro. I have been needing this computer upgrade for a really long time. All right, so we got 16 gigs of RAM right here, as well as 1 terabyte of onboard storage. And it is the 14-inch version of the MacBook Pro. So let's go ahead and peel this tab off right here so that we can start checking this out. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this out of the box, check it out for the first time. There it is, the MacBook Pro 14-inch. So excited to get this out of here. Let's go ahead, lift the MacBook out of the box and check out the other accessories that come with it. As you can see, for a Mac, this is super thin. It's like 3.5 pounds. Let's see what else we got in the box. Of course, we've got that new MagSafe. Great to see that make a return. Of course, we've got our paperwork, as well as a pretty decent sized wall adapter to get this thing charged up. Of course, it always comes with your little MacBook Pro guide, so it just kind of shows you how to get it set up first and foremost. And then it also kind of has your limited warranty guide, just in case you're not familiar with that, and some Apple stickers. No freaking way! These Apple stickers are black. This is actually the first time I've ever had Apple stickers that are not white. Let's do this. Let's get this open for the first time. Here we go. Let's go ahead and boot it up for the first time. Check this out. We'll go ahead, we've got a little screen piece here. Oh, it already turns on as soon as you lift it up. Those blacks look so good, so fresh. Booting up here for the very first time. Wow, this is cool as heck. All right. So of course, we've got our MacBook here. It's ready to be set up for the first time. Got that notch at the top, got that 120 hertz display, which of course is amazing to have that good refresh. Touch ID in the keyboard. Of course, around the sides, we've got those new ports. So we've got all of those ports that you're really gonna wanna have. 2 USB-Cs, you've got your MagSafe back there, headphone jack, some really good speakers, keyboard, pretty massive trackpad if I do say so. And then around here on the side, of course, some of the best features is that SD card, USB-C, and an HDMI out. So I can even go right here into my Samsung monitor on my desk and still have a secondary display, which is really nice. All right, let's start setting this thing up. We'll start going through the menus here. We want English. Oh, no way. You can make your computer login a Memoji. So I'm gonna create a new Memoji for myself. So I designed mine to look like this. That's so cool. All right, so we are just getting Touch ID set. Oh, there we go. Our new MacBook Pro is finally set up and it's looking great. So there you have it. We got a new MacBook for the first time in forever, and that was me getting it out of the box and set up. If you want to see more content on this new MacBook, if you're interested in like a full review or anything like that, then let me know in the comment section down below. I'd be happy to make more content on this if you found it interesting. Hopefully you did. I will catch you in the next one. Hit that subscribe button if you're new around here, and I will see you in a video real soon. Thanks for watching.